Hello everyone, good morning. This is Selena here and it's morning. Before I go to school, I decided to share this new vocabulary with you. You might know this, but let's study, okay? Anyway, these are kanji that may be new to you, and this is read as Saigai. Yes, Saigai means disaster. So we have tsunami and flood and earthquake, Jishin. So Saigai. All right. Here's another one. Hogo sha. This means person. And hogo means or protect. But this one, we have mono as a person here. So we have hogo sha means parent and guardian. Okay, so here are the parents watching their children study at school. Hogosha, parents. This one is, do you know this? Taido. Yes, taido ga ii, taido ga warui, which means attitude. So, this one is, taido ga yokunai desu ne. Kochira no taido ga ii desu. They study well. Taido, attitude or behavior. Taido. Gimu, have you heard this? This is means obligation. Yeah. So, kokumi no gimu o shitemasu ka? Do you know the obligation of every citizen? Kokumi is citizen. Okay, let's look at it. Oh, the children has the right for education. So you are obliged to make your children study at school. Kyoiku, education. Toyo is election. Noze is paying of taxes. So that's our obligation. Gimu, obligation or duty. This one is Sotsugyo Shosho, a graduation certificate. Okay, Sotsugyo is N4 kanji, right? Okay. Look at the spelling. Sotsugyo Shosho. There's U here. Okay, don't forget that. Okay, Sotsugyo Shosho. This one is Kigen. Means due date and deadline. Okay? Kigen wa 8月30日です。守ってください. So the deadline is by August 30. Mamotte kudasai. Mamoru means to protect, but in this sentence, it says to follow strictly what is